How to turn off NordVPN password manager. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First of all, if you're using iOS device, head over to your application password. Scan your Face ID and open it. Click on All. In this page, search for the VPN that you have saved the password of. If you have that password saved, all you gotta do is click on it and then move into it. You will be able to see your password. If you want to turn it off, all you gotta do is tap on Edit at the top right corner and then click on Delete. Once again, click on Stop Using. And there you go. The login credentials has been turned off and removed. Similarly, do the same process for NordVPN as well, and then the password manager will be turned off. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.